colleagues, ladies and gentlemen, we now welcome you to the ABAC ODI Summit 2017 under the title
from Dr. Lucas and among yourselves by sharing each other your knowledge.
Things where you say, oh, I just went to book XYZ and they said that this is the right thing to do. Now he comes and says, just forget about it.
Because we think that
But systems are still red, no?
so that people can focus on the bigger problems
better, then can I let each table tell us where is each table? Which one first?
to do this kind of things. And I think this
We all are aware of the organizations that need to be transformed.
My organization. Thank you.
Understanding and then seeing a new.
I want to use this assessment tool. So
I have some kinds of very good books, management design, and you have a
evaluation form at the desk
to share with you that the Assumption University is established as educational.
Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.